Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression which has the basic operation like plus, minus, divide and multiply. So this expression is basically contains the all basic operations. So we have to solve this expression and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, we have to find out like how we can solve the arithmetic expression. So we have the here two rules like BODMAS and PEMDAS, and these rules says like some steps like you have to solve that part first, and one by one you have to solve each step. So according to that rule, basically B for bracket and P for parenthesis. It means that if your expression has any parenthesis or bracket in your expression, so you have to solve that part first. After parenthesis, you have to solve the exponent or any number has power, so you have to solve that part first. And after that power, you have to solve the multiplication and division. So you have to go in your expression first, left to right, and find which operation is coming first. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. Like we have to go left to right and see which is operation is coming first. If subtraction is coming first, so we have to solve the subtraction first. And if addition is coming first, so we have to solve the addition first. Either you are using the PEMDAS or BODMAS method. Both are same rule. Now, move forward to the expression which we will solve today. Now, you can see in our expression, basically 5 multiplied by 8 divided by -2 and 2 plus -6. So according to the rule, basically we have to solve the bracket first. So if you say, you can see in our expression, so this part basically the bracket, but it is not because of any expression, it is because of the minus sign. So we can write like 8 divided by -2 as it is, and in the denominator we have to solve like plus minus minus. So here we will write like this way by -2, and in the 2 plus minus 6 we will write like this way. So here we have the plus minus sign. So we will write and give the reference here. Plus 2 plus -6 equals to 2 minus 6, right? Now we will move forward and we will see like now like order of operation, exponent, and does not contain any exponent or any power, any number which has the power. So now we will move forward and see like here we will solve first the multiplication. If you see like expression, now we can solve division and multiplication, and both have same precedence. So we will write like this part. We will solve this 5 multiplied by 8. So here we will write like 5 multiplied by 8 is 40, divided by -2, and denominator we will write like as it is 2 minus 6. And here we will give the reference. So 5 multiplied by 8 equals to 40. Now we will move forward and divide this part 40 divided by -2, because now we have the division sign. 40 divided by -2, which is equals to -20. And in the denominator, we have the 2 minus 6. So here we will write expression 40 divided by minus 2, it becomes minus 20. And now in the denominator, we will solve now that part, because we cannot divide minus 20 divided by 2 minus 6. We have to solve this part first. 2 minus 6. So here we will minus 20 divided by, in right, minus 20 divided by minus 4. And in the end, we will give the reference here 2 minus 6 equals to minus 4. Because we have the minus sign with the larger number, which is 6. So we will write the minus sign with 4. Now we have the minus 20 and minus 4. So it will be cancelled from this minus, and 4 1 the 4, 4 5 the 20. In the end, we will get the answer is 5. So now we will divide if minus 20 divided by minus 4, so which is equals to 5 plus 5. So the answer of this expression is D, which is 5. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using the pumped up and what mass method and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.